Greetings, fellow adventurers in the realm of technology. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of manufacturing, where robots, automation, and 3D printing are shaking things up. Join us as we embark on a journey to discover how these cutting-edge technologies are revolutionizing the industry. Now, before we delve into this exciting topic, let's address the elephant in the room. Will these new manufacturing technologies kill jobs? Well, fear not, because we're here to debunk that myth and explore the incredible opportunities they bring. Imagine a world where precision, speed, and efficiency unite to create an unstoppable manufacturing force. That's exactly what's happening with these new technologies. Okay, robots might seem a bit intimidating at first. But fear not, my friends. Instead of stealing jobs, these machines are designed to work alongside us, taking on repetitive, physically demanding tasks, and freeing up humans to focus on more creative, strategic, and complex roles. Now let's talk about the game-changer 3D printing. It's like having a magic wand that can bring digital designs to life. But here's the exciting part. It's not about replacing skilled artisans or manufacturers. Instead, it empowers them to explore new frontiers, enabling rapid prototyping, customization, and unleashing unparalleled creativity. These technologies are unlocking a whole new world of possibilities. They're streamlining production, reducing waste, accelerating innovation, and even creating new job opportunities in fields like robotics programming, additive manufacturing design, and maintenance. So there you have it, fellow adventurers. New manufacturing technologies are not here to steal jobs but to empower us, revolutionize industries, and open up exciting new horizons. Embrace the change, ride the wave, and let's shape the future together. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling exploration. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and until our next adventure, happy manufacturing.